darkness comes creeping on, so haunting every time. And as I stared, I counted webs from all the spiders, catching things and eating their inside, like indecision to call you and hear your voice of treason. Will you come home and stop this pain tonight? Stop this pain tonight. Don't waste your time on me. You're